Hi, my name is Vanessa. I work at the Discovery Children's Museum. I'm the Arts and Humanities Coordinator. And in the Young at Art Gallery, I know that watercolor is one of the most popular things that the kids do. And I'm going to teach you how to make watercolors using household materials. So what you're going to need is a type of tea. I'm using hibiscus tea, a type of coffee. I have instant coffee, maybe some seasoning. I'm using turmeric and something like either like a herb or a rooted vegetable. I'm using cilantro, but you could use beets, you can use colored potatoes, you can use onions, whatever you want. And we're going to use these materials to make your own watercolors. So the first one I'm going to use is the turmeric. So go ahead and grab some turmeric and put it into a cup. And now you're going to put some hot water into it. So please be careful if you're going to have the little ones help you with this part. Alright. So when you mix the turmeric and the water, you should get something that looks like this. Next, I'm going to do my hibiscus tea. So you could use any kind of tea, and if you feel like you're being a little wasteful, you could just make your own tea and then just reuse the bag. So go ahead and put that in your cup, and then you're going to put some water into it. Okay. And this one might take a second. Next, I'm going to do the instant coffee. Just grab a little coffee. And mix it with some hot water. And you'll get something that looks like this. And last but not least, I'm going to get my cilantro, put it in a cup, and then put some hot water in it. So the one that will probably take the longest to create pigment is the cilantro. So go ahead, or anything kind of herby. So just leave that off to the side and let it soak for a while, and then you're going to start getting some pigment in the water. Alright, so this is what the hibiscus tea starts to look like. It has this really pretty red hue to it, almost burgundy color. And the cilantro becomes this sort of greenish yellow color. Now that the watercolors are created, you could go ahead and start painting. So a fun project you could do with these watercolors is go out in nature, go in your backyard and try to recreate the things that they see. They could draw the leaves, they could paint the flowers that they see, maybe a tree, maybe some critters that they find crawling in their backyard. Another fun project they could do with these paints is they could start dyeing some Easter eggs. These are natural, and you could just go ahead and start boiling your eggs in here and you could have a natural dye to them. Another thing you could do is you could even create tie-dye shirts with them. And I'm going to show you a little bit how the pigments look on paper. So the turmeric has like a yellow golden tint, while the coffee has more of a golden brown color. The hibiscus tea kind of turned out purplish blue, and the cilantro created a greenish yellow tint. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful and discovery day.